Good morning, teacher and classmate. My name is Gladys Sanchez Carpata. I am 25 years old. I am Peruvian. I am from Arequipa, Peru, the White City. I am a student of a student Universidad Continental Arequipa. I am organized, responsible, and friendly. I am very happy to share my presentation today. Now I will talk about my ability. I can speak basic English and understand simple conversation and can use a computer and accounting program very well. I can code traditional dishes like Adobe and Ocopa. I can swim and walk long distance, but I cannot drive car and cannot play musical instrument. I have a clear daily routine. I always wake up at 5:30 a.m. I usually have the break for breakfast. I often take the bus to university. My class starts at 7 a.m. and finish 1 p.m. I sometimes study at the library. I always get home before 3 p.m. I rarely go to Wednesday and I never go to bed later than 10:30 p.m. Let me share my preference. I like studying numbers and organizing information. I love walking around the Plaza de Armas on sunny days. I enjoy listening to some music and watching movies with my family. I don't like cold or rainy days. I don't like waiting a long time for public transport. I hate very spicy food. I prefer healthy and mild meals. My house is very important. Very is my garden in front in the house. There are green plants and cool flowers. There inside there is a big living room with comfortable sofa. Next to it there is a great kitchen. My bedroom is on the fifth floor. There is a bed near the windows. There is a desk with my books and computer on it. There are two shelves on the wall and family photos. The bed it is my both cozy and cute. My family lives with me and help them every day. My studies are important for me and I take them seriously. The university is closer to the city. I visit it every day. My books are available and I read them often. My house is warm, clean and beautiful. The food is delicious and lovely. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you study? Where do you study? When do you start class? Last year I was on vacation in Kolkata with my family. The trip was wonderful. We traveled by bus for the we visited the crush of the condor. We saw many wonders flying in the sky. We walked through small towns and bought handmade houses. We ate tasty local food. My body was easy and my parents happy. Welcome, Arequipa. Finally, I will talk about my plans. I want to finish my studies successfully. Then I want to work at a good company where in Arequipa. I would like to improve my English a lot. I would like to travel to other region of Peru in the future. I want to have my own accounting office and help my family.